Hey, yo, 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 and welcome to my Montessori Printable Royalties review. So yeah, yo, 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 I'm actually stealing this line from somebody whom, not gonna tell you. Okay, hi guys, hi, it's me, the nutcase. The nutcase is back, the nutcase is in the house. And nice to be back on this, sort of like a proper review schedule. Oh, okay. Yeah, I've been lately preoccupied with my shorts. I have fallen in love with creating shorts. I'm using a very cool tool actually, which I will review soon. I love it. It's been just so much fun doing those shorts, creating them from my longer videos, okay? But anyhow, there's also not been any products worth recommending. As I was checking what was happening on Warrior Plus and JVZoo, I just couldn't find anything I would sort of resonate with and happily review and promote. Yeah, I've kind of gotten sick and tired of doing critical reviews, talking about nonsense and telling you guys not to buy it, even though it is helpful. I know for newbies it's super helpful. So I may go back to it and just, expose a scam every now and again. But yeah, I've gotten tired of it, so I'm taking a break from critical reviews, and I only focus on the ones I can put my brand behind, and this is one of them, okay? So guys, I reached out to Andreas Quintana to give me a review access to Montessori Printable Royalties. Is a great course, okay? And this product, I'm just checking what date it is actually today, because I have no respect for time, as you may know. So today is the 9th of November. This product has just launched, guys. I'll show you the members area. I have gone through the whole course. Okay, there's a bit to go through. It's amazing. Okay, it's not over long. It's not like 3, 4, 5 hours long. There are courses like that. Okay, and I did take my 5 hours to go through everything. All right. And yeah, I love this course. Quality. I mean, in general, Andreas Quintana is a vendor I always wholeheartedly recommend. I mean, I love his style. I love his way of presenting. Of explaining, demonstrating the method he teaches, the method of making money. He's got a very clear, beautiful voice, a very laid-back way of being. He's got his case studies and, results to back up the method he teaches you with. Okay, so he's just not, it's not some kind of pie in the sky he's talking about, but it's like tangible, results. So then, yes, I love it, and he always explains everything in a very newbie-friendly, extremely easy to follow way. So if you're a complete newbie and you happen to want to learn this way of making money, you can, from following Andreas, teachings. From his courses. That's what I meant. Okay, guys, so yeah, we've got the sales page here. He says like, attention, low content, publisher, low content, yeah. Learn how one Etsy seller makes 4,000 plus from a single listing. So this is your step-by-step guide to Montessori print success. Montessori. Do we know what Montessori is all about? The Montessori system. If you have a child, you probably do know. Okay. I'll explain more about that in a sec, but I just want to say that this is currently on a dime sale. It's $18, and there will be some bonuses, and I will show them to you in the members area. This is Andreas, super cool guy, trust me. And after the launch period is done, the price will jump to $27, so it's discounted by $9. for now, the sales page is amazing, okay? Frequently asked questions, very helpful questions, go through them. Do check out the sales page. There's plenty of testimonials, this and that, income proofs, okay? So yeah. Legit way of making money. Andreas teaches you here for sure, okay? Yeah, you just need to do it, basically. And also, if you want to check it out for yourself, the link to the sales page will be right below my review, guys. Go check it out. It's a fantastic sales page. Not too long, amazing, and it actually explains the product very transparently, okay? So I'll show you the members area, but before I do that, I just wanted to mention there will be a funnel just to upsells, a funnel, yeah, typical, yeah, Warrior Plus stuff. So the front end, 18 bucks, upsell number 1 and upsell number 2, which I'll explain a little bit later. But we have also some splendid bonuses from me, guys, which I'll come back to later as well. And now back to this Montessori system. So it's, you know, what basically Andreas teaches you in the training course is how to create Montessori materials for children. And it's a very trendy niche. A lot of parents, you know, are so much into it. You know, I was actually considering a Montessori nursery for my daughter, you know, when she was starting as well. I have actually just one across the road, but I didn't end up sending her there. It's personal stuff, but I loved it, okay? I love this method. It's basically about, what am I doing? It's basically about, you know, children. Let's say when the children are in the classroom, they are given a lot of materials that sort of encourage them to go after what they're interested in. So this system allows children the space and to be who they are, okay? And to go to expand the imagination by giving them a lot of space to be, simply to be, okay? To exist, to be, to make their own choices. So instead of being told what to do, they are asked, you know, what they want to do. I mean, how amazing, okay? There's like, you know, the conservative, I mean, I forgot the word, but the you know, schooling system we have in most of the countries could learn a lot from Montessori system. That's all I'm gonna say, okay? So cool. So, and like following this trendy niche, it's been trendy for some time, but like apparently lately on Etsy, and there's like this explosion of search for Montessori tools, Montessori printables, materials for children, and, you know, people are buying like, you know, parents are buying like, you know, crazy. So in this training course, Andreas will teach you how to create and sell on Etsy those Montessori printables using free tools like Canva. You can completely do it by using the free version of Canva, but he will also show you how to create some amazing pictures using Midjourney, which is an AI image generating tool, the number 1, okay? And as you may know, Midjourney is available on Discord, okay? So that's Midjourney. Well, it will cost you $10 a month if you want unlimited image generation, yeah, okay, whatever, creation, right? But then again, you can also use tools for image generating like Leonardo.ai is great, gives you 150 credits a day, which is plenty to create quite a few very good quality images, okay? So don't let that stop you not having access to Midjourney, okay? If you do have access to Midjourney and want to learn more about how to use it, or if you're thinking of signing up, I'm also going to give you some cool bonuses on how to produce amazing images with Mid-Journey, and then more like bonuses on how to sell creations on Etsy, step by step. Even though Andreas does go through the process, this training course I give to you as a bonus is very in-depth. And then the ultimate Facebook traffic trick is an additional source of traffic for you guys. So 3 amazing courses, and the first 2 are actually PLR as well. So cool, as I like to say. Where were we? So let's go back to the members area. Sorry, I keep jumping. It's like I forget in what order I have the tabs open on my laptop. Right, so let me show you the videos you'll have. Like, the whole course will take you over an hour and a half to go through it, I would say. Okay, so first you will have the introduction, then the niche research, the introduction about this method, okay? And then the niche research, in which Andreas will, go through the sort of like competition analysis as well. And he uses a very cool tool, is an Etsy spy tool called Everbee. It's really worth investing in it, especially if you do a lot, as you sell a lot on Etsy. It's a must tool, I would say. And then, he'll just show you how to create in a very easy to follow way Montessori printables, how to create them with using Mid-Journey as well, and then how to upload them on Etsy, how to write them, Etsy description with AI. So what he will do, he would use Everbee, so the tool, the spy tool, to detect which products sell best, and obviously why do they sell best? Because they're optimized, everything is SEO friendly about, that store, about that listing on Etsy. So he would spy on that specific product, the listing, the store, and even fancy it up further, okay, by, like combining the keywords, the highly ranking keywords, but by combining them and the description that already exists on, on that store. And he creates an even better description. So very smart way, I must say. And then he would use, in video number 6, Canva again, to create the Etsy listing images and all of the files you need, to upload onto your, your store, your listing on Etsy, right? And how to upload everything to Etsy. And in the final video, he will talk about free and paid marketing methods. Very smart, very clever tips and tricks, and the so-called hacks he will give you about actually, there is this method. Like, sometimes people, they visit your store, they don't buy it, but they favorite it. So there's a way in Etsy to go back to, there are some marketing tools, okay, for Etsy sellers, which they can access and use, to their favor, to the benefit, and, reach out to whoever favorited their listings, the stores, and, for example, offer them some coupons, discounts, and remind them about the product they missed out on, that they did like, that they did favorite, but I don't know, somehow didn't end up buying. So by giving them a coupon, for example, is a smart way of making some sales. And then here you have two buttons to the upsells, in case you haven't bought them right after purchasing the front end. You have the chance to access them from the members area. And here you have the links and the resources. So the Everbee research tool is totally worth investing in, especially if you do a lot on Etsy, okay? If you sell a lot. And Canva is obviously free, even though there is a pro account as well. You can have about $10 a month, but It's not necessary. Trust me. I work with Canva all the time, and I use the free one. Now here you have some bonus videos as well. So how to set up Discord and Midjourney step by step, and this is a very good one. How to sell this on Pinterest. Even though he's talking about a different product, I believe this video was taken from his previous product or whichever. Okay, but the method is the same. It's working with Pinterest. It's advertising on Pinterest. So, well, Pinterest is amazing for graphics, right? Images, so yeah, very good. It's like a search engine at the end of the day. And then this bonus blew my socks off, actually. It's like the whole product he gives you access to is a bonus. Actually, let me show you, because it's amazing. Okay, so it's so-called children's diary domination, so you can have it as a PDF, but also in the form of a video training. So there you go, you get access to the whole training from here. So yeah, that's it, guys. That's the members area. This is what you're getting with this product. And let me just show you now perhaps the funnel quickly. So the front end, as I said, $18. Upsell number 1, guys, is 30 editable Canva templates for $27. So these completely editable Canva templates will help you craft an almost infinite numbers of Montessori printables based on best-selling Etsy listings. And it is especially helpful for you guys. It would be if you don't want to invest in FOB, which is the Etsy spy tool. Okay, so because Andreas will give you the these templates based on best-selling Etsy listings. So there you go, it's sort of done for you. Upsell number 2 is a subscription. It's $20 a month. It's hold on. Each and every month customers will get a brand new set of 25 editable coloring book and activity book templates, so something additional. This will help them publish new content every month without worrying about content creation. Again, done for your stuff on monthly basis. Okay, guys, cool. And let me just remind you about my bonuses. They will be available for those who decide to pick up Montessori Printable Royalties. Oh gosh. Montessori Printable Royalties via the link below my review, and this is the sales page. So go grab it while the offer is on. I mean, the dime sale is on. A quality product. As I said, over the last few days I wasn't really promoting anything because it wasn't worth promoting in my eyes, but this is quality. Okay, I've checked it out properly. It gets my stamp of approval, Sylvia's stamp of approval. If that's something you want to learn and you want to make money with, go ahead. Okay, learn from Andreas and then put it into action, because without that you will make zero. So that's very important. Put the theory, okay, the knowledge into action. Right. Well, kisses from cold London. Cold, right? It's kind of nice. Yeah, sort of like late autumn vibe to it. I like it. I still enjoy it. As they say, there is no bad weather in nature. Yeah, it's really the environment we have inside that makes all the difference. If we are healthy and fit, we adjust pretty well to any kind of weather. Now it's me talking about the weather. Okay, goodbye. Goodbye, Sylvia. Go to bed, have a bath, relaxing bath. I will. Okay, bye.